everyone, Amanda here. I'm just coming to share a really lovely kit that I've bought from a crafter stroke teacher. Now obviously, first of all, everybody knows that I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator, okay, but I am also a crafter and I love learning new things, and so I bought this. It's a class, it's a kit based class from a lady who is non-Stampin' Up. I've bought this for myself for my birthday. It's a gift to me. I work hard and I very rarely buy myself anything, and I saw this lady's work and I just thought she was really lovely, very genuine, down to earth, and you know, and I thought, yeah, I could do that, and I really want to learn how to make mini albums. So it's a mini album kit. So first of all, it's not a conflict of interest as far as I'm concerned, because this lady is not a big company. She uses different paper craft products every time. It's not just to one company. This one happens to be Graphic 45, but she's not got any allegiance to just them. She's an independent lady who just does crafty classes for people and puts kits together with all different kinds of products, different paper lines, and I just wanted to have a go of this one, and this is her Graphic 45 Fairy Wings kit. And she has a Facebook. She's called Cal Summers, and she has a Facebook group, and it's called Paper Scissors Story, and over there is where she just does sharing, and she does free tutorials. You've just got to promise not to pinch her ideas, which obviously you wouldn't do because that's rude, but she shares everything for free, and then she does the kits, and then you get the tutorials for free. So I just wanted to share with you. So it came the other day, so this is my birthday present to me. And it's called the Fairy Wings mini book. So I've got everything in here that I'm going to need to create the mini book that she's designed. So it's, you know, it's a mini album. So in here I've got lovely packaged all of the flowers and greenery. So she's designed it and she's given you specifically what you need. So we've got some lovely flowers in there, packed lovely. Look at that, I'll be able to reuse that. And then in here I've got some what look like little iridescent fairy wings there. They look like they are, I don't want to get them out because I don't want to be touching them. They look like they're organza. Some organza ribbon. We've got a book plate in there, a metal book plate, and then a little ring, which I should imagine will go on the spine to hold a charm dangle. And another crafty lady makes the charms. I think she's one of Carl's friends. I don't know these ladies very closely. I'm quite new to the group, but I just loved what she did, and I loved her. I thought she was very genuine and down to earth, and I just thought, yeah, I'm going to give this a try. And this is a lovely charm that she has had made to go on this. Oh, can you see? To go on the side. So that was handmade by another lady who does them specifically for the kits. Isn't that lovely? I think that's really pretty. So it's got a fairy there and a little fairy wand there. I think that's lovely. So that'll, I should imagine that'll dangle on the spine. I'm not going to go into prices. It's none of your business what I've paid for it. If you want one, go and buy one. I think this one's actually sold out, and I think this is a little free gift that she's given me, which is two little, oh, I can even see two little tassels there, so they're lovely. And then in here we get the chipboard, and we've got a sheet of Tyvek. And then this is some book covering fabric. It's like a woven. I'm not sure if it's self-adhesive or if we glue it. I don't want to open it yet. I'm not being mean not sharing, I just don't want to open it yet, because the tutorials I think will all go live when everybody's got the kits, so the tutorials aren't ready yet, so I've got to put this back in the box and wait. And then we've got some cards that we'll need to make the pages, and then we've got the beautiful full pack of the Graphics 45 Fairy Wings. I absolutely loved this paper. As soon as I saw it, even if I hadn't have bought this kit, I would have got this paper because it's beautiful. And I thought, well, for the price of the paper, I may as well support another crafter, another small business lady, and take her class. You know, it's all about supporting, and then, you know, I'll be able to learn how to make a mini book proper. I love making books, and I've made various styles of mini albums, but, you know, I've just put them together myself. I've never actually properly learned how to do one, and I'm so excited that I'm going to be the student instead of the teacher for a change. It's going to be ace. I'm going to love it. So you've got some little push outs there, I think. It smells lovely. And then we've got that one. Obviously graphic 45's all double-sided, aren't they? Beautiful. Look at them colours, like turquoise. Oh, look at them. So apparently there's a lot of fussy cutting in this mini album. So she's going to make us work our socks off, I think. But I'm really looking forward to it. It'll probably take me, I don't know how long the tutorials are going to be, but she does everything from the needle to the thread, you know, in real time. So the videos will probably be a good hour, hour and a half each long. Look at those. And she'll show you how to do everything. And I am absolutely thrilled. So Paper Scissors Story is her group over on Facebook. You know, if you want to, if you're interested, she is an English lady, so these are all in England. Whether she'll ship international, I don't know. You'd have to ask her, probably, as long as you pay for postage. But just look at it. I just love it. I've not had any graphic 45 paper for years, and I do love it. It is beautiful, but it is expensive. It's not cheap, is it? Oh, look at that. But I treat myself. It's my birthday next month. I love fairies, and so I thought, I'm having it. I don't care what it costs, I'm having it. And then there's some shapes there by the looks of it for tags. So there's your like templates, and that's the front cover. So just thought I'd come and share that with you. When I have done it, I will come and show you. I won't obviously be able to show you how it's made because it's a paid for class. But I'll come and show you when I've finished. I'll come on and I'll show you when it's done. It will probably be the end of August, because I think that's when the tutorials are. I think they start in August. So as soon as I've finished, I will come and show you. And yeah, oh, they need to go back in. I'm very, very excited. I'll put those back in a minute and put everything back, and it'll just have to sit, and I'll have to wait patiently to complete that. But I'm going to wait, and I'm going to follow the class every single step by step, and hopefully learn myself a new skill and learn how to make a mini album properly. So there you go, just thought I'd share that with you. I always like to share small businesses where I can. So there you go. Alright, tuck that back in, and now go and, oh, no, that needs to go back in, doesn't it? And then I'll just have to sit and just stare at it and maybe take it out and stroke it a bit until it's time to build it. And like I say, I'll come back and share with you. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.